Next up, we have Booknetic. Now, before I begin, I would say this is probably one of the cleanest interfaces on the front end and also the back end for a booking plugin. The Booknetic plugin has really focused on development. This plugin constantly releases new features, better layouts, and improved settings for their customers. You start by picking a basic service. You can then select the date and time and then input information like your name, your last name, email, phone number, and then you're brought to a confirmation page. They've also integrated Google Calendar and iCal, so you can easily integrate this with calendar apps. There's also a variety of different layouts to choose from, such as compact view, and it also fully supports RTL languages. On their website, they do give you a variety of ways on how to utilize this plugin. You can access this plugin for free as a demo on their websites. Now, before I begin, there are some discrepancies about this website and their payments. If you go to ThemeForest, you can purchase this plugin as a one-time payments, basically a lifetime deal, for about $139. This is probably the best deal. It does say to go to their website, but if you go to their website, they start having this various pricing plans that go all the way up to $589. The backend of this plugin looks great. You have a variety of options where you can view your appointments, check out your calendar, see your payments, view your customers, add services, and also add in staff. What's really unique is the services section. They actually have a canvas mode where you can view it as a canvas mode or a list view. You can actually do this for a variety of other sections. You can also create staff location, coupons, and even gift cards. What's unique about the new V5 version is the ability to add workflows for your bookings. When a booking happens, you can program the application to set a trigger, like sending a WhatsApp message, sending a Telegram message, sending an email, sending an SMS text message, or a variety of other options. The one thing I do hate about this plugin is the fact that there's a lot of add-ons. If you click on the Boost store at the top in their demo version, there's a variety of add-ons that you'll have to purchase in order to get access to. I've always hated the add-on market for WordPress plugins. However, there's been so much development work inside of this plugin, I think it's worth a look now. Another really cool feature about Booknetic is they offer their own applications on the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. With this application, you can download it onto your mobile device and view your appointments, see your customers, and also adjust the payment settings from pending to paid. The last update was 3 weeks ago, so it's currently being updated and supported by the developers frequently. I like this plugin. In my past videos, I've always recommended it. It has all the options you need, but I just hate the add-on market. I would give this plugin a solid 9 out of 10. It's almost perfect. They just need to slow down on the add-ons.